Oh, we're out of Worcestershire. Let's pick a different sauce. You're out of Dijon mustard. Today on Simply, I'm going to be sharing how I took our totally awkward and chaotic pantry to functional and beautiful. But I didn't do it all by myself. I had some help along the way, and I thought for this project, it was time to call in a professional. Hi, Kay.
Hi, Haley, how are you?
My pantry is a mess. We have lived here for a little bit over a year, and we cannot seem to have a functionality with this space. It's so awkward.
Definitely can figure out a way to help you out. I'd love to see more of the pantry. Shall we show you what's going on?
Absolutely. Let's go. Here we go. So we kind of keep like breads, tortilla wraps up there. This is typically cereal, superfoods, and little like mix-ins for smoothies. A lot of supplements. Some canned items back there. We keep flour.
Can you fit your whole arm back there and hit the wall?
I can't. Almost.
Oh, wow. That's a really common problem when the wing wall is really long and you need to access that space but can't.
My access to this space is very limited. We pretty much work right here every day. This whole system is just...
It's not working for you right now.
Not working.
First thing I would do is changing out the shelving system. It just refreshes the whole space. That corner wing wall space, return wall space, is going to have to be stuff you don't use very much. And also Lazy Susans or turntables, because that way you can turn it so that nothing's ever in the back, so you'll never lose anything. That'll answer all of your prayers for those areas.
Perfect.
Right? The other thing I recommend is large baskets from underneath there. I have some really cute ones in mind I think you would really like. And you can keep either some backup protein powders, items that you're not using very much. The other thing I recommend is a can riser, one that's expandable. So that way, if you happen to have fewer cans, you can just sort of expand it and make room for other things. Let's be honest, decanted dry goods looks really amazing, but we don't want to do that for everything. Maybe just the sugar, flour, but for the things that you don't want to decant, that you will keep in the bag, a bin is a great place for those items. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take everything out, put it on the counter, and group everything. Take inventory of how much protein powders you have, how many canned goods you have, how much cereal you have. Can we break them up into those useful categories for you and your household? If it's spoiled or if it looks funny, just go ahead and get rid of it. So figure out what that prime real estate is that right in front of you where you can reach. That's going to be your most active zones. And the things that are the least used is the stuff that's going to go back in that dead corner. And then I have a bunch of product recommendations for you and where they should go. So that is the plan. I'm really excited.
I am super excited too, because this is going to be such a game changer for our space. I had everything laid out on a fold-out table. It's actually a beer pong table. All of our pantry items were there. It gave me enough space to sort through everything, toss things out that we didn't need. So we got to kind of have a fresh start, essentially, with our pantry items. Once all of the products started to arrive, this is when I like to have some fun. This was one of my favorite items that Kay had on our list, these glass cylindrical jars with airtight bamboo lids. Some of the things that we decided to decant were oatmeal, rice, coconut flour, pasta. You can do nuts, seeds, anything that's kind of a dry good. In Kay's original plan, she had these jars kind of elongated along the shelves, which looked beautiful. But I ended up ordering more jars than she originally had in our plan because we just have a lot of stuff. They're so beautiful, and I love how everything looks in them, and having on a Lazy Susan just makes life easier. So in that back corner where the Lazy Susans are, this is where everything is going that is unopened or used not frequent. So we've got like some condiments, some unopened jars and sauces, and things that we will just need when we need them. It's so great because everything is just right there. I can spin it and see what I have. Next, we have these hyacinth baskets. They're stunning, they're chic, they hold a lot. Now, we don't have a ton of packaged food typically, but we definitely have crackers, rice cakes, the occasional tortilla chip, croutons and dried fruit and things like that. One of, and I've probably said this 10 times today, one of my favorite things in this pantry are these baskets. Leave it to Kay, she found the perfect product. They literally fit perfectly. They have all of our supplements and protein powder. I love that when you look at the pantry now, you don't see this craziness on the bottom floor. It just looks so clean and streamlined. The last storage solution was behind the door, which you guys know me, I love a good behind the door solution. Elfa makes a great behind the door storage, and the reason I think it's so cool is it's modular. So you can mix and match, take away, add on, different size bins as you need them. Now, when it came time to label everything, Kay had sent over a really great idea for these erasable labels. They come with a marker and an eraser. For the glass jars, I absolutely love the minimalist labels that Kay recommended. We were even able to have labels like gluten-free pasta, coconut flour, different variations of nuts and seeds, labels for so many different things, which is incredible. Overall, I am so thrilled with how our pantry is functioning. I think Kyle loves it too. He loves that he can just grab his cereal and all of his snacks. It feels like he's in a store, and it's working out so well for us.
Hey, Kay. Well, I know it's been a while since we last talked, and the pantry is completely redone.
Oh my, I'm so excited to hear that. I cannot wait to see it. Wow. I love it. I love it.
We added some lights.
Ooh, look at that.
So good. I can't believe how much you can fit in this.
Those baskets are a game changer. They are a game changer. I love the labels. Very cute. That is fantastic.
Because I could change where all the shelves were, it's just so customizable.
It looks so good, Haley. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.
It was so great catching up with you. I hope to talk to you soon.
Absolutely. You know where to find me if you need me again.
Thanks so much, Kay.
Bye-bye.